Hey guys, it's Risa. How are you? So, what's for lunch today? Well, I decided to make a delicious omelet. I turned it over half of it so that you could see the vegetables that I used. I had some leftover steamed broccoli and some asparagus, and I had some mushrooms and onions already cut up in the fridge. And I took two extra large eggs and a little bit of some egg whites to really make it fluffy and a little bit of some milk. Now to season it, I added some roasted garlic and pepper seasoning and some salt and pepper. And that's it. Really easy. And if you have extra vegetables that are barbecued or roasted or steamed, this is a good option. Now, what's on top? I added a little bit of some Parmesan, just about a teaspoon, and then I don't have to count it on WW. I like using the pink Himalayan salt. There's a lot of great health benefits to using this salt. And I toasted my Mama Lupa. These are the Mama Lupa tortillas that I get in Canada, but I'm sure you can find a brand that is low carb and low fat, and some turkey bacon. So for 2 smart points, I'm going to be having this huge omelet and my Mama Lupa, some cucumbers, some turkey bacon because I'm nice and hungry today. And that's for lunch. And this is what I've been doing on my journey over the last 7 years. I love nice big meals that are high protein, low fat, filling, that will keep you full and satisfied for a long period of time. And that's what's key, finding things that you love. I'm just going to take that with my fingers. And you will see that this covers my entire plate with this huge meal. I like to toast my Mama Lupas so they're nice and crispy, and that's what's for lunch. So this is another easy idea option for you guys to have for lunch, and you could even have this for dinner. Why not? For brunch. All right. So all of this is only actually 3 smart points, sorry, because the Mama Lupa's 1, and it's really super delicious. So just to show you all the ingredients again, and that's it. So I hope you love this video. Comment, like, please subscribe to Risa's Recipes. All my old videos you can continue to see until they're transferred on Risa's Recipes. And take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.